Welcome back to Little Linguists. Today we're diving into something essential for anyone planning a trip to Italy or just looking to boost their Italian vocabulary. The days of the week, from Monday to Sunday. Hear the correct pronunciation so you can say them like a true Italian. Are you ready to add these 7 super useful words to your Italian toolkit? Today is Monday.
Oggi è lunedì.
Today is Monday.
Oggi è lunedì.
Tomorrow is Tuesday.
Domani è martedì.
Tomorrow is Tuesday.
Domani è martedì.
We have a meeting on Wednesday.
Mercoledì abbiamo una riunione.
We have a meeting on Wednesday.
Mercoledì abbiamo una riunione.
On Thursday we go to the cinema.
Giovedì andiamo al cinema.
On Thursday we go to the cinema.
Giovedì andiamo al cinema.
Friday is the last day of the work week.
Venerdì è l'ultimo giorno della settimana lavorativa.
Friday is the last day of the work week.
Venerdì è l'ultimo giorno della settimana lavorativa.
Saturday is the perfect day to relax.
Sabato è il giorno perfetto per rilassarsi.
Saturday is the perfect day to relax.
Sabato è il giorno perfetto per rilassarsi.
On Sunday we go to church.
Domenica andiamo a messa.
On Sunday we go to church.
Domenica andiamo a messa.
Monday.
Lunedì.
Tuesday.
Martedì.
Wednesday.
Mercoledì.
Thursday.
Giovedì.
Friday.
Venerdì.
Saturday.
Sabato.
Sunday.
Domenica.
You're doing an amazing job so far. Your pronunciation is sounding fantastico. Remember, it's all about practice. Before we move on, I just want to say how proud I am of you for taking the time to learn Italian. And hey, if you're enjoying this lesson, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. We've got more bite-sized lessons coming your way in the next few days. You won't want to miss it. Alright, let's keep going and learn the rest of the days. Next up.
Lunedì.
Monday.
Martedì.
Tuesday.
Mercoledì.
Wednesday.
Giovedì.
Thursday.
Venerdì.
Friday.
Sabato.
Saturday.
Domenica.
Sunday.
Bellissima! Grazie per oggi. Ciao ciao!